I think they got a pond out there tonight. With the 293 triplet in your decade, your 1-2 riders in race number 7. Race number 8, use their TV, 290cc's and your ATV girls, you are pulling to the line. Race number 9, true beginner, make your way to the starting area. Heading in Schoolboy 1. And the 293 triplet in your decade. On the line, race number 8. It's the number 19 of Brown, the 133 of Castor, and the number 8 of Hinkle in the girls.